Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be cooking crispy carrot bacon in the air fryer. First you have to wash carrot and then peel the skin off. Next, create slices. And then put the carrots into the bowl. Now add a little bit of salt and then a little bit of rosemary. Finally, drizzle a little bit of oil on top. Let's give it a stir. Now take your air fryer. Add a layer of carrots. We are gonna put it in for 12 minutes at 170 degrees. Look delicious! This makes a great snack for movies.